Honey way down there? Honey's way down there? We're going on a hike. Yep. We're going on a hike. There's Scott and Becky. Camp's down that way. We're going to check the canyon out. Hiking we are. We ain't went very far. Maybe a tenth. Maybe 2/10.
Something like that.
What?
Not even that.
Not even that. Say hi.
Hello.
There we go.
I think it's
Off to the woods. To the canyon. I ain't gonna get them.
Is that elk or is that
A mule deers, it looks like.
the way they were dancing, the way they were hopping? Look at the elk move. But I guess they could too, huh?
Oh, I thought I've seen big ears, but I'm not real sure. Maybe they'll come down the hill.
No, we can look down it. I don't see him now.
Yeah, I don't see them. We seen some deer, maybe. Maybe they'll be waiting on the other side of the hill. Ain't that cool? Big, old, very old scrub oak. And there's the next generation of them.
Hey, I like this rock.
Hey, we have found the Keebler Elf House. They left the front door open. Should we walk right in? Nah. We'll get fat when we go in there and eat all our cookies. There it is. The Keebler Elf House. Stupid wind. That is old juniper mixed in there with a scrub oak and a few pines. That's a nice one. Been around the block a few times. The next generation of junipers. That's an old ponderosa pine there, I believe.
They cut it. They cut.
Yeah, it's cut. But a forest fire might have ran them out.
There's an old tree laying there too. They just put a clear seal over it.
Bedding.
Huh?
Beds. It's crazy how they're square. Hello.
Just to be square.
It's a baby pine forest.
Baby trees. Charlie Brown trees. Look.
All from Mama Tree. Directly underneath her.
Soon it'll look like this.
Yeah. Look at these scrub oaks over here. I believe we're almost to the canyon. The beginning of James Canyon. We could probably go down it, but we got to come back up that. And there's no trail down there, so who knows what's actually living down there. waiting to eat us. Here's the canyon. It's a 250 feet drop. According to All Trails. But this is the start of James Canyon, a way into James Canyon anyway, if you want it down there. Behind our camp. I don't know if it's the start of James Canyon. Ooh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Becky sitting over there behind a tree. Hey.
You might be able to go down that way, but.
Yo.
Huh?
I said
What?
Becky sitting over there by a tree. On a tree.
On a rock.
On a rock.
Oh,
Are you on a
oh, you're on a rock. From here, it looks like you're sitting on that tree.
Oh, there's a tree behind me. Heck no, that'd be Splinter Hats to heaven.
And over here, we have Scott. But, you find another stick?
Yeah.
Well, baby, you got to come back up this. And there is no trail down there, so it's hard to say what's living down there, too.
Yeah, one of the rocks is kind of loose over there.
Oh, man, that over there looks like just a pile of boulders waiting to go.
Yep.
Right there.
Dinosaur poop.
Dinosaur poop.
Look at that. Right there. On the corner of the tree. And I can. Ew.
Ain't this cool? The canyon.
Get right to that point there, but after that, I don't know.
Pretty nice. Still no critters. Still no critters. Wait, there's two critters. One dead tree leaning up against another
I
dead
think
tree.
it's the top tree of it. Might be its topper.
Oh, you know what? You might be right. I think that is the top of that tree.
Widowmaker.
I believe it is the top, babe.
Watch where your feet are going.
Whoa. Yeah, I believe that's the top. Look how thick it is in there. Another kind of an entrance into the canyon.
Ooh.
Old logging pile right there.
Yeah, there's a big baby going across.
Are we going back up or that way?
Just across. Follow the canyon.
We go on the left side of the wall.
What the heck is that smell? Almost like a peppermint smell.
Really?
Well, I do smell that.
What the heck?
Maybe that's the kind of cologne Bigfoot wears, peppermint. He's watching us. James Canyon down there. Possibly another way into the canyon. Possibly another way into the canyon. Got a lot of down trees down there though. We ain't going in there. We're just following it. Still walking James Canyon. On top of it. Not really a trail down there that we know of. We gotta go back up this way now. Now we gotta go back up this way. We're walking the edge of the canyon. I don't know, let me check the map.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulders.